Good morning. Nice and early on a Saturday morning in October, but today's a special day because we've got Maker Faire, my local Maker Faire, the Ozarks Maker Faire. I've got my laser back here packed up, and I'm gonna head to Maker Faire. I try to do something at the Ozarks Maker Faire that's really hands-on. Something people can actually make stuff. A lot of these smaller city maker fairs kind of struggle to get a lot of hands-on activities for people. So I've brought my laser. I've got something cool set up. I'll show you once I get there and get it set up. I'll show you how all that works. It's pretty neat. Alright, so this is what I have set up here. People can walk up, throw a piece of cardboard in here, into the laser, and hit start. It makes one of these cool little coins. That's it. I've got this little coin they can take. Alright, so this is a laser cutter, and what it's going to do is it's going to make these little coins for you if you want to make them. You can make one and take it, and what it does is, we'll get you started, take this piece of cardboard and put this corner of it underneath this thing here. There you go, just like that, perfect. And we'll close this, and you hit this green button right here. And what it's going to do is it's going to, on low power, use a laser to burn off the surface of that cardboard. Then it'll switch to high power, and it'll cut all the way through the cardboard to cut it out, and you can take it with you. And you can see what it's like here. It actually burns away some of that surface. You can take it and pass it around if you want. Burns away some of that surface. Maker Faire. Check out this long Furby on her shoulders here. That is so cool. Isn't that awesome? Oh, it's beautiful. Alright, I gotta get back to the laser. It's gonna catch fire. So we went almost all day. Right at the end we got rained out. A massive storm blew in and almost knocked over our tables, and I am drenched, but it's nice to be home and it's nice to have another Maker Faire under my belt. And that's how things went. People went through all day long and played on the laser and had a good time. So until next Maker Faire, I guess.